Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today we are taking a look at the CKAuto Universal Tire Repair Kit, a must-have for anyone on the road. This heavy-duty car emergency toolkit is designed to help you quickly and easily repair flat tire punctures so you can get back on the road in no time. With a value pack of 36 pieces, this tire plug kit is a comprehensive solution for autos, cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, and more. The kit includes everything you need for tire repairing work, from insertion tools to repair plugs, valve stem caps, and more. It's the ultimate car emergency kit that will meet all your needs. Not only is this kit jam-packed with all the tools you need, but it's also made of premium quality materials. The T-handle tools are constructed from high-strength, rustless zinc alloy, while the tire repair strips are made of natural rubber with excellent aging-resistant performance. This means that you can trust the durability and reliability of this kit when you need it most. Any of the best things about this kit is how easy it is to use. You can repair punctures for all tubeless tires without having to remove the tire from the rim, and the detailed instructions ensure that anyone can repair their flat tire in a right and quick way. Whether you're a professional or a D enthusiast, you'll be able to make professional repairs without needing professional skills. This universal tire repair kit is also a perfect fit for a wide range of vehicles, including autos, cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, SUVs, Jeeps, tractors, trailers, mowers, and other vehicles with tubeless tires. And with the compact carry bag included, you can conveniently organize all the tools in one place, making it the perfect addition to your car emergency accessories. So, if you want to be prepared for any tire emergency on the road, make sure to check out the CKAuto Universal Tire Repair Kit. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this essential toolkit today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.